golden color, that's where they're still growing. Those are actually somewhat healthy pineapples down there. The green area, that's just grass basically that's growing up. A couple whales down here off of our right side. You see a little splashing. We've been seeing a lot of whales in the Pailolo channel. They don't really like it when we circle them because then they get really irritated and disappear for a while. So we'll just kind of try to pass them off to either side as we work our way. Here's one right off our right side, just about to breach up. And should see plenty today. Usually the water real rough here on the Pailolo channel. In fact, the Pailolo, what that means in Hawaiian, the rough translation means the channel of the dumb fisherman. Quite a few of them off our right.